Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn simple text descriptions into a full-fledged storybook at childrenbooks.online. First step, share your story idea. Head to the creation page and type in your wonderful story concept. If you're stuck and need inspiration, just click the Inspire Me button, it'll automatically generate a story idea for you. Next up, set your customization options. Tweak the settings to match your style, whether it's the art style, character looks, or color scheme. Once you've double-checked all your inputs and customization settings, hit the Generate Storybook button. That's when the magic starts. When the storybook is generated successfully, click Go to Reader and you can start reading your brand new storybook right away. That's all the steps, from text to a complete storybook in just a few clicks. And if you're not happy with the illustration on a certain page, no worries. Just click the Regenerate Illustration icon next to that page, and you can customize and revise the illustration until it's perfect. Thanks for watching. Now, go to childrenbooks.online to create your own storybook.